Those dark spots on your face, the ones you keep trying to cover with clothes or makeup, they're still there every time you undress. It's embarrassing how much effort I've put into my skin, just for my dark spots to still show up in every mirror, every photo, every time I wash my face. And if you feel that too, keep watching. Because there are reasons your skin isn't changing, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to fix your problem. Let me show you why, and what actually works. Before we even talk about adding products to your skin, we need to address the root cause. Because your dark spots didn't just appear, something triggered them. And the truth is, a lot of the irritation is coming from daily habits you don't even realize you're doing. One is overexfoliating. One thing that secretly makes your dark spots worse is overexfoliating. I know it feels like scrubbing your skin should make it smoother, but all it really does is irritate your barrier. And irritated skin creates more discoloration. Sometimes the reason your dark spots look darker is because your skin is literally trying to protect itself, scrubbing your body with rough tools. Stop using rough loofahs, gloves, or body brushes every day. They feel satisfying, but they cause micro tears and inflammation, especially on the chest, shoulders, and back. 2, using too many fragrances. Stop using heavily fragranced lotions, body washes, and sprays on sensitive areas. Fragrance is a common irritant, and irritation equals more pigment. 3, ignoring hydration. And here's the sneaky one, dehydration. When your skin is dry, every dark spot looks darker. Your texture looks rougher. Your skin gets irritated faster, hydrated skin heals better, looks smoother, and handles brightening ingredients without freaking out. 4, sun exposure without protection is the biggest one. Sun exposure, even a few minutes outside, can deepen dark spots, even through windows, even on cloudy days. If your dark spots look the same every morning, this is probably simple solution to this: always put sunscreen anywhere your skin is exposed. 5, friction from clothes. It's not just your face, your body gets irritated too. Tight clothes, rough fabrics, backpacks, sports bras, all that rubbing creates friction. And friction equals inflammation. That's why you get dark spots on your chest, your shoulders, your inner thighs. It's not dirt, it's irritation. 6, using super hot water. Stop washing your face or body with really hot water. It strips your skin, weakens your barrier, and causes inflammation. And inflammation is what creates dark spots in the first place. Last one, picking or scratching. Another thing we don't talk about enough is picking. Every time you touch, scratch, or squeeze a spot, you're creating tiny injuries your skin has to heal, and it heals with more pigment. That's why one little bump turns into a dark mark that lasts for months. It's not your products failing, it's the irritation. Once you remove the irritation, your skin finally has room to breathe. Now let's get into these small, free changes that make the biggest difference. You can start today. You should start by adding moisturizer right after you shower. Applying it while your skin is still slightly damp helps lock in hydration and keeps your skin barrier healthy, which can help prevent irritation that leads to excess pigment. Another helpful change is using lukewarm water when you shower. Cooler temperatures are gentler on the skin and help protect your natural oils, which keeps your barrier stronger. When you dry your skin, try gently patting it with a towel instead of rubbing. This reduces friction, which is less irritation that can trigger dark spots. More small improvements is choosing softer fabrics when possible. Gentle materials and looser clothing create less rubbing on the skin, which helps prevent dark patches from forming. Another is drinking a bit more water throughout the day is another easy addition. Well-hydrated skin tends to handle irritation better and often looks smoother. Finally, consider keeping cleansing simple. For most routines, washing the face twice a day and the body once a day is enough to keep skin clean without overstripping it. Small routine changes like these can gradually make a big difference in keeping hyperpigmentation from getting worse and helping your skin look more even over time. Now that you know this, here's where the real change happens. The SERUMS dermatologists consistently point out that targeted ingredients work way better once your skin is protected. And studies show they can dramatically improve dark spots over time. So let's get into the ones that actually do wonders. We're starting with niacinamide, one of the most amazing ingredients for brightening, smoothing, and evening out your skin. Before you buy anything, flip the bottle and check if niacinamide is in the ingredients list. When you use it consistently and in a safe percentage, you will see your skin start to change. Here are some of the most popular skincare products that actually contain this ingredient. If you're looking to try any of them, I'll have everything linked for you. Coming in on 1 is Anua Niacinamide 10 Serum. Best rated for fading dark spots. Buy this if you genuinely want to see results very quick. Next is azelaic acid, one of the most underrated ingredients for dark spots and stubborn hyperpigmentation. It helps brighten, smooth, calm redness, and even out your tone all at once. When you buy anything for dark marks, check if it has azelaic acid in it. If it does, you will notice your skin start to change. The most popular product with this ingredient would be the Ordinary Azelaic Acid Suspension 10. It's a treatment and great for beginners. Now let's talk about lactic acid and glycolic acid, two of the most effective exfoliating acids for a dark and uneven tone. These help remove the dull, dead layer on top so your brighter skin can come through. Next time, check for products that contain lactic or glycolic acid. And when you use them consistently and safely, you will notice smoother, more even-looking skin. The most popular product with this ingredient is the Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7%. Exfoliating and brightening daily toner. This one will definitely be a game changer for you. Now let's talk about vitamin C. One of the most popular brightening ingredients. Almost any vitamin C serum will get the job done. Here are some great ones I recommend. This boosts radiance and gives your skin that healthy glow. This one will keep you looking brighter and more radiant. All of these top-rated serums will keep your skin and body radiant, luminous, brilliant, and dazzling. And last but definitely not least, kojic acid. This is one of the strongest brightening ingredients we use for stubborn hyperpigmentation. If you've got areas that just won't lighten, kojic acid is usually the ingredient that finally makes a difference. This helps extremely the most with dark inner thighs, underarms, knees, elbows. This Kitsch Kojic Acid Face and Body Bar is the best rated product that will actually make a difference if you have hyperpigmentation. So this is all for this video. All the products, plus a few more I couldn't include, are linked in the description. Thanks for being here. Comment below. I'm always glowing. Hope everything in this vid helped.